Today we're testing the differences between an original Apple screen against an iP9 Aftermarket screen. Our first test is both screens on their lowest and highest brightness settings to see how they compare. The Apple original screen does get slightly darker on the lowest setting, however both match for the highest setting. Moving on to resolution, both are FHD when zoomed in, with no visible jagged edges. Both screens are polarized, allowing for easy viewing while wearing sunglasses. It's a close match between both screens for the refresh rate and delay. Touch sensitivity is also closely matched between the two with a quick type test. Both screens have a 360 viewing angle, with the iP9 screen appearing a little clearer when viewed from the side. When testing its colour gamut, the iP9 screen has more contrast in the green, reds, greys and whites, and less contrast in its blues. Both screens performed well on the water beading test, with neither water bead spilling out. In conclusion, both screens are fairly evenly matched with the qualities we've discussed, with only slight differences between them both visually.